I started welding when I was 18. Well, actually, I was 15 in high school and built my whole life around it. So it just seemed natural to me to get back into education, or to get into education and start giving back. It's really the hands-on skill set we've worked to help them develop. And sometimes it's just allowing the student space to discover it on their own. And there's other times where you really have to get in there in the booth, but really allowing them to figure it out and seeing what they need to see to start to build the skill. So the curriculum committee is comprised of, I'm gonna say 20 different gentlemen from throughout the state. Everyone has their own idea of what they want for their program, but during the curriculum committee, we really try to come together and share some of those important things that are important for our campuses and our programs, but also push some of those agendas together to come to a mutual understanding of what's best for the state as a whole. And pulling all those different ideas and meeting all those different people has been extremely beneficial, not only to get me out of my own headspace and to see things in a different perspective, but just to have those connections with people that are like-minded doing the same thing that I'm doing. Career opportunities really stretch beyond what you can think. So there's sales positions, there's quality control positions, there's inspection positions, there's educational positions, there's support positions, and then of course there's welding. And even just in welding, there's multiple different facets of that type of atmosphere that they can go into. Then there's the robotics side of things. So all these companies are using robotics or starting to implement robotics, but they still want welders to oversee that operation, whether it's to make repairs at the end of the task or to fill in where the robot couldn't reach. So, I mean, there's just so many different places that this type of career can take you. It's changed. It is dynamic. It is a high-paying wage. It's a livable wage. It's very technical. I mean, it can provide a very nice lifestyle for those that want to pursue it. Do it. Try it. Take a class. It's not for everybody, but I've seen everybody do it.